Central Cook County in northeastern Illinois. Northwestern Lake County in the northwest. Severe thunderstorms are located along the line extending from Glen Ellen to Golden Rock to Wilfieldville, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour. Source, radar indicated. Thunderstorms will be and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Dale, North Riverside, Hickory Hills, Valley Lake, Willow Springs, Clements, Luxury Park, Countryside, and Clearfield around 2:50 p.m. Elmwood Park. 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Marionette Park, Logan Square, Portage Park. Hinsdale, North Riverside. For your prayer room on the lowest floor of the building. Around 2:50 p.m. Elmwood Park, River Grove, Cicero, Midway.
You're going to lose ratings. You're going to lose.
And Oklahoma Road, Midway Airport, Oak Park, River Square, Portage Park, Albany Park, Irving Park, Humboldt Park, West Town, and East Garfield Park around 3 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Severe thunderstorm warning. Southeastern King.